How to use Teleport and Nomad List to find cheap cities with fast internet in Asia. But first, let's talk about the app itself. Teleport, or also known as Topia, can analyze how your income might change if you find a local job and considers factors like personal and corporate taxation, startup venture, capital scenes, healthcare quality, and education. Nomad, on the other hand, provides a comprehensive directory of popular digital nomad destinations and allows filtering by numerous factors like cost of living, climate, internet speeds, safety. Now, let's dive into the steps to find cheap cities with fast internet in Asia. First, go to Nomad List website and click on the either two sites to continue. You can log in or sign up if you don't have any account on your own. After that, scroll down to look for filters of the place you desired. Set the filters according to your preferences, such as the region, cost of living, safety, and lastly, the internet speed. Use Teleport as a complementary guide for you to find a good place with good internet speed. Tap on these two websites, then log in or sign up if you don't have an account. Search for filters for tech scene or startup ecosystem and infrastructure, as these often correlate with good internet. And lastly, compare the candidate city that you find through Nomad's List with the Teleport app to choose the place you will go with the fastest internet.